Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. Today's video is on forms of verb. वर्ब का क्या क्या फॉर्म्स है उसके ऊपर आज का वीडियो है. प्रीवियस वीडियो में जो मैं टेंस के ऊपर सब कुछ बताई हूँ उसमें मैं V1, V2, V3 का मेंशन की थी. Those are 3 forms of verb. आज उसी को लेकर वीडियो है. तो चलो आज का वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let's start the video. There are 3 forms of verb. Present verb, past verb and past participle. तो ये प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब को बोला जाता है V1, पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब को बोला जाता है V2 एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब को बोला जाता है V3. द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज ईट. द वर्ब ईट. द प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ईट इज ईट, EAT, eat, and the past form of verb eat is ate, and the past participle form of the verb eat is eaten. इसका मतलब है V1 eat, V2 ate, V3 eaten. Now see the chart which is in front of you. This is on the screen and you can understand through these examples. Go, went, gone. Go is present form, past form is went and past participle form is gone. Play, played, played. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Ask, asked, asked. Add, added, added. Arrange, arranged, arranged. Break, broke, broken. Begin, began, began. Become, became, become. Burn, burnt, burnt. Bite, beat, beaten. Blow, blew, blown. Bit, bit, bit. Call, called, called. Catch, caught, caught. Come, came, come. Cry, cried, cried. Close, closed, closed. Cut, cut, cut. Cancel, cancelled, cancelled. Clean, cleaned, cleaned. Look, looked, looked. Cook, cooked, cooked. Drive, drove, driven. Drink, drank, drunk. Dig, dug, dug. Do, did, done. Dance, danced, danced. Find, found, found. Fall, fail, fallen. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Fly, flew, flown. Feed, fed, fed. Fight, fought, fought. Get, got, got. Give, gave, given. Help, helped, helped. Hear, heard, heard. Hit, hit, hit. Keep, kept, kept. Know, knew, known. Take, took, taken. Meet, met, met. Reach, reached, reached. Read, read, read. Talk, talked, talked. Put, put, put. Open, opened, opened. So you should watch this video again and again to learn this well, or you can take the screenshot so that you can understand and read them and learn them. Otherwise you can jot it down on your notebook. It's your way. कैसे भी आप याद करोगे, लेकिन आपको ये सीखना है. You have to learn it well so that you can apply this well. So enjoy speaking English.